We'll get started in our mountain stance with both feet grounded. Just shift the weight to your right foot as you draw your left knee in towards your chest, grabbing onto your shin. Draw your navel into your spine and fold forward, bringing both knees a bit closer together. Practicing balance and strength. We're here for 2. As you stand back up, keeping that knee lifted, place both hands on your hips and start to extend the left leg back behind you, coming into a lunge. Take your time here. Option to ground your left heel or to keep that heel lifted, balancing on your back toes. Both arms reach towards the sky. Take an inhale, high lunge. Bring your palms down to heart center. If your back heel is lifted, place it down on the ground and extend both arms out long from your shoulders for Warrior 2. Straighten your front leg and bend from your waist to fold into triangle pose, both arms reaching in opposite direction. Use your core muscles to lift your chest, coming back to Warrior 2. Sweep your arms back to the sky, chest comes back to front for your high lunge. We reverse to get out of this the same way we got in. Step your back foot forward, your knee lifts in line with your chest, and then gently lower your foot back down to your mountain stance. Next side. Ground your left foot as you hug your right knee into your chest. Drawing your navel in towards your spine, fold forward 2 times, bringing both knees closer together and slowly lifting your torso back up. It's 1. One more time here, folding yourself forward. Take your time, practicing balance and core strength here. And lift yourself back up. Hands go to your hips for balance and slowly start to extend the right leg back behind you, making our way to our lunge on the left. Right heel stays grounded or lift the heel. Extra balance challenge with the heel lifted. Both arms raised towards the sky, high lunge. Palms come into your heart center. Spin that back heel down and reach both arms away from each other. 180 degrees at your shoulder joints. Straighten your front leg to fold at your waist, coming into triangle pose. Gazing up towards the sky or down towards your foot, whatever feels best for your neck. Bend that front knee as you sweep your arms and chest back to Warrior 2. Moving your chest forward back to your high lunge. Palms come into your heart center. And then step your back foot in. Your knee lifts in line with your hip. And lower your foot down back to your mountain stance. Relax your arms by your sides. Inhale to circle your arms up towards your ancestors. Exhale, bring your palms together to lower your hands down in front of your heart space. Reach both arms out wide and extend love to the universe. Opening your arms to Mayat, to balance, to truth. Bend both elbows for goalpost arms or the African yoga shoe posture that represents air, space, and ether. Acknowledging we are the creators of our own lives. In the spirit of sankofa, turn your head to look behind you, gazing at the path of your past. Turn your head to directly in front of you to the present, honoring this gift. Release the bend in your elbows to stretch both arms straight. Relax your arms by your sides. Inhale, circle your arms up towards your ancestors, up towards the heavens. Exhale, bring your palms together to lower your hands down in front of your heart space. Turn your gaze to look towards your past path. Return your gaze to your present and turn to look towards your future. Gently returning to rest in the present. Bow to your heart center. Find peace in the fullness of the Creator within you. That's the end of our practice for today. Thank you.